Hey guys, so for this hair mask, you need 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Just soak it overnight and next morning just strain out the water and blend it into a blender. Now add curd to this to form a smooth paste. Now as you can see, my hair is a little bit on the drier side, so I like to apply oil before I apply the hair mask. Now if your hair is a little bit on the oilier side, then you can totally skip this step. Now just keep sectioning your hair and apply the mask all over your hair and the scalp. Just leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before you wash it. Now this is the most common and the most effective face scrub I've ever used. So I just like to take coffee and sugar and mix it. I just wet my face and scrub it all over. It's a great exfoliator for the lips as well. Thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know if this works for you as well.